channel is Blessing Mariah. For those tuning in for the first time, I welcome you to my dysfunctional channel. Ow, fuck. And for those returning, welcome. I know I've been gone from YouTube for a while, and there's many reasons for that, and I'll discuss that in a later video. But for today's video, I have my morning routine / skincare routine. I do have a skincare video that's up on my channel that's from like 2 years ago, but I actually have changed a lot of things that I've done. In this video, I'll be showing you my morning routine, what I do in the morning, like my hair, brushing my teeth. I won't show you my shower because weird, but I will show you what I do in the morning, and also my skincare routine. My skincare routine, I don't do it every single day because it is long, and I do have work at 7:30 in the morning, so doing this every day I'll be late for work. But I did want to incorporate my skincare routine because today's my day off, so I don't have work, so I can actually show you what I do mostly at least twice a week, or at least I try to do it twice a week, but you know, the basics. So let's get into this video. The first thing that I do in the morning is I brush my teeth, obviously. Like, who does it? So like, I saw this argument on Twitter, like people were talking about, is it water then toothpaste, or is it toothpaste and water? I do water, water my brush, get that Colgate, you know, apply my toothpaste, and then water again. So I do water, toothpaste, water. I'm actually trying to help the environment and stop running my water or brushing my teeth. I used to always keep the water running, but like, it's a waste of water because you literally aren't using the water. So why are you wasting water? Yeah, so I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm not gonna show you on my camera how I brush my teeth. It's kind of like gross to watch someone, I don't know, I think it's gross to watch someone brush their teeth. But some tips is, not some tips, you should all know how to freaking brush your teeth, but don't forget your tongue. I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Well, not literally 2 minutes because I'll be back. Boom! Okay, I got chips in my nose. Now that I brush my teeth, you know, we'll go on to skincare. Let's get the skin on fake. My skin's really been doing really well lately. So the first thing that I do for skincare is I like to exfoliate my skin. I am using the Walmart brand Deep Clarifying Exfoliating Scrub. I have tried the Clean and Clear one, and I've tried the Walmart brand, and they both work the freaking same. So save like 30 cents and get you the Walmart brand. Yeah. I just want my face because I haven't been, usually I would do this in the shower, but since I'm showing y'all this video, I'm gonna do it at the sink. So usually my face will already be wet, but since I'm not in the shower, I have to wet my face. A little dab, you know, a little extra dab. It's a lot, but yeah. So I like to rub together with my hands and apply all over my face, even on my neck too. And the way that I know how long to scrub them for, I sing the ABCs twice. So go ahead, hope y'all know your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so yeah, a little chorus in the morning, you know, I'm gonna show them my ABCs. Let that happen. Let it sit for a couple seconds. You can like feel this, feel this exfoliating scrub work. You can feel it like tingling in the breath of fresh air in a way. So yeah, so I'm gonna wash this off. You'll know that I am a Freeman dysfunctional channel. I was saying, y'all know that I'm a Freeman, let me show y'all on my face mask. Y'all know I'm a Freeman advocate, so I have a lot of their face mask and face stuff. These two are part of my everyday skincare routine. I'm going to show you and talk about them more, but these two are going to be the key to this tutorial, to this video. One of the two that I use is this one. this right here. This is their deep clearing Manuka honey and plus tea tree oil clay mask and cleanser. So you can use this as a face mask, like a regular everyday face mask, you know, drink your tea, relax, self-care kind of regimen, or you can use it for a cleanser. Depending on the time of day, I actually do a little bit of both. I will put on the clay mask for like, you know, 2 minutes or so, depending how much time I have, and then wash it off. Or if I'm in the shower real quick, I use it as a cleanser. So after I exfoliate, I'm going to use this as a cleanser. So it's kind of like a clay mask, but not as like strong as the Aztec clay mask, if you ever use that. It comes in like this, let me see if I can show you. It's kind of this white consistency. You see it? So yeah, so I usually put that all over, kind of a thin layer. Now that's applied, I'm gonna wait like 3 minutes. So I put on my 3-minute timer and I'll be back. So it's been 3 minutes, so now I'm going to just go ahead and wash this off. I'm going in with this mask. This is one of my new faves. This is their Hydrating Glacier Water and Pink Peony Gel Cream Mask. Leave-on mask, intensely calm and softens for glowing skin. We all want to glow, sis. This is a leave-on mask. It's very, I'm gonna show you. It's very liquidy, but it's very gel-like. Can I show my friends? Very gel-like, very lightweight. It smells really good. By the way, we can buy all these Freeman face masks at Walmart, but they're cheaper at $4 Below. They're $4 at Five Below. So you can apply this to your face as much as you want. You can drench your face in it. I like to, because who don't want to glow, like glow. So put it over your face. Again, it is a leave-on mask, so it will dry itself, so don't worry about hydrating mask dry. I like to do my hair really fast. So this is how it looks right now that it's wet. Boom, so there. And I'm gonna take a shower and then we'll finish this video up in a little bit. See y'all soon. Okay, so I'm back. The last thing we're gonna do is we're going to put this on. Can I show you? Boom. So this right here is the Glam Glow Glow Starter. I got this sample from Sephora on my birthday. It's kind of like an illuminating moisturizer. So it's the last thing that I put on the day. You want to put on too much because it is a weird nude color. So if you're like my skin color, it kind of shows off a little bit ashy. So you just want to put a little bit. Apply that all over. You can actually see little sparkles. Can you see it in my hand? Glistening. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had fun making it, you know, regular. So yeah. So I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for what I got next. Just want to come and, you know, tell y'all that I'm still alive. I'm still here. I'm still well. Definitely look out for my next upcoming videos. I have some fun things planned. I know all YouTubers say that, blah, blah, blah. But I actually have some good, interesting videos coming up. So yeah. I'll see y'all in my next video. Oh my God, learn how to do the whoa.